Namaste, Hamidul Haq here. Welcome back and welcome to my channel, Learn with Learners. I hope you are doing well. First of all, I would like to show my gratitude for your support and unconditional love toward my channel. Thank you so much. In this video, I have come up with 110 words which are very simple and generally used everywhere. You can use this word to express your feeling and communicate with people each and every field of your life. Firstly, I'll pronounce the word, then tell you the meaning, and then tell you where these words are used and how these words are used with examples. Yes, in some cases, how other word can be used, I will also tell you. So please watch this video till the end and listen how I'm explaining the words and sentences. Let's start. Here's the first sentence. Person. Person means Bhakti. Then amazing means Kamal ki. Amazing is used to praise someone or say about something which is really good. Then unique means Anokha. Special can be used in place of unique. Talent means Pratibha. Skills, honor, HONOR. And excellence can be used in place of talent. You are an amazing person with unique talents. Next. Bath means स्नान करना या फिर नहाना. Once, twice, thrice. Once means एक बार, twice दो बार, thrice तीन बार. These words are used to say when we do a particular thing one time or two time or three time in a particular time. Like I go for walking 2 times a day. Then I can say I go for walking twice a day, right? Then brush, you can say brush also, means दांत साफ करना. Here is a sentence. I bath once and brush twice a day. Next. Get up, नींद से उठना या फिर उठना. When you wake up from sleep, can be used get up. And when you are sitting or sleeping, just lying down in bed and you have to go somewhere, someone may say you get up, then it means uthna. Early means jaldi, good means acha, habit means adat. Getting up early in the morning is a good habit. Next. Beautiful means khubsurat, sundar. The word cute, lovely, attractive, gorgeous, candid, comely also can be used in place of beautiful. But beautiful and cute are mostly used and easily gettable word. Wear means पहनना, go means जाना, walk means चलना या टहलना, every day means हर दिन. The beautiful girl wearing red skirt goes for morning walk every day. लाल लहंगा पहने हुआ वो खूबसूरत लड़की हर दिन सुबह वॉकिंग करने टहलने जाती है. नेक्स्ट. वी मीन्स हम डेली प्रतिदिन. क्लीन मीन्स सफाई करना या साफ. यू कैन से दैट आई एम क्लीनिंग दिस बाथरूम एंड यू कैन से दैट ही इज ऑलवेज क्लीन. Washroom and bathroom are equally used, which means snanghar. You know, washroom and bathroom contains of bathing room, toilets, urinal and basin where we do face wash and brush also. We daily clean our washroom. Here is the example. Then prefer. Prefer means pasand karna. It is used when we compare something with something else. Like I prefer tea than coffee. Avoid means परिवर्जन करना. Beverage means पानी के अतिरिक्त कोई भी रस. It means any liquid which are potable or drinkable except water is called beverage. I prefer fruit and avoid beverage. Next. Principle. means pradhan, or you can say mukha. And sometimes when we talk about amount, means rupees, like you have put some amount in interest, the or actual amount we have put for interest is called principal amount, right? Suddenly means achanak. Suddenly means something which happened accidentally and unexpectedly. Enter into प्रवेश करना, start प्रारंभ करना, describes वर्णन करना, interesting रुचिकर और दिलचस्प, story means कहानी. The word tell, T-A-L-E, also can be used in place of story. The principal suddenly entered into classroom and started to describe an interesting story. Next, during means dauran. During is used when we say that something happened with a period of time, not actually mention the time, but this is a period of time, right? Visit means Brahman, experience means अनुभव करना, pleasant means मनोहर, climate means वातावरण, enjoy means आनंद, place means जगह. During my visit to Kashmir, I enjoyed the interesting places and experienced the pleasant climate. Next, defense means रक्षा. Recently, हाल ही में या फिर अभी अभी. Sign means हस्ताक्षर करना, I mean signature करना, and it also means for say संकेत, I mean symptoms or any indication, right? Nowadays, fever is considered as a sign of coronavirus. Several means koi, onek. A lot, plentiful, many can be used in place of several. Agreement, agreement means samjhota. With, साथ, honorable, आदरणीय. Honorable Defense Minister of India has recently signed several agreements with France. Next, hungry means bhuka. Housewife means grihini. Housemaker means gharwali. So both are equally used. Learn सीखना, cook खाना बनाना, kitchen रसोई घर. Kitchen is used for personal use, and somewhere you must heard that cook house. Cook house is for public use. Like we have organized a public camp and we want to feed people and we are cooking there. That is called cook house. The hungry housewife is learning cooking in the kitchen. Next, spouse means pati ya patni. I mean, if you are a gentleman, then your wife is your spouse, and if you are a lady, then your husband is your spouse. Hope means आशा करना, wish means इच्छा करना, spend means बिताना और खर्च करना, right? Like I like to spend time with my friend, and I spend very less for my entertainment. Whole life, संपूर्ण जीवन, always, सदा, forever, हमेशा. My wife hopes to spend her whole life with me and always say, I love you forever. Next. Continuous means निरंतर, लगातार. Consumption, उपभोग, and consume means उपभोग करना. Consume is not written here. Salty means लवणयुक्त, spicy, मसालेदार, snack, अल्पाहार. It includes lays and any fried items which are usually take for refreshment with tea. Yes, that pakoda is also a snack, and fried chicken, fried cheese also can be said as snack. Injurious means हानिकारक. The word harmful can be used in place of injurious. Health, स्वास्थ्य. Continuous consumption of salty and spicy snacks is injurious to health. Next, get ready, तैयार होना. मीनवाइल तब तक, बोथ दोनों, thereafter इसके बाद, get ready meanwhile I am doing breakfast and thereafter we both will go for movie. तुम तैयार हो जाओ तब तक मैं ब्रेकफास्ट कर लेता हूँ और उसके बाद दोनों एक साथ मूवी देखने चलेंगे. परचेज मीन्स खरीदना. द वर्ड बाई इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू परचेज. चीप मीन्स सस्ता. रिटर्निंग वापस लौटना. क्लोथिंग शॉप कपड़े की दुकान. बिहाइंड मीन्स पीछे. पिक्चर हॉल चलचित्र भवन. Nowadays, Chalchitra Bhavan is not generally used. People say picture hall, cinema hall, etc. etc. Here is the sentence. There is a cheap clothing shop behind the picture hall, and I will purchase a T-shirt at the time of returning. Next. Pretty means sundar. Pretty means facial appearance, right? Which looks little bit cute and attractive. The word pretty can be used to express this. Professionally, व्यावसायिक रूप से. Private, व्यक्तिगत. The pretty girl is professionally a teacher in a private school. Sorry, the girl word is not written here. Eye-catching means akarshak, a little bit attractive, and who is just attack our mind and attention. That is called eye-catching. Clearly, saf saf, visible, dishyaman, edge, kinara, and in Shuddha Hindi it is called thought. Pond means pokhar. Your eye-catching house is clearly visible from the left edge of our pond. आपका आकर्षक जो घर है वो हमारे पोखर के बाएं किनारे से साफ साफ दिखाई देते हैं. ड्यूटी मीन्स कर्तव्य. परफॉर्म करना. You can use the word do also here in place of perform. Responsibilities, जिम्मेदारियाँ. Responsibility is the single word here and the plural form of this responsibilities. Dedication, समर्पण. I perform my duty with dedication and responsibility. Next, indeed, वास्तव में you can use the word really also. Precious means अमूल्य, मूल्यवान. Water is indeed a precious element. Next, myself, yourself, yourselves, herself, himself, itself. I know you have heard this word many times. When we say that मैंने खुद ही एक काम किया, then we use I myself did this work, right? And when you say that तुमने खुद ही एक काम करना है, then you can say that you yourself have to do this work. Like this, if you say that she means वो खुद ही एक काम करना चाहिए, then you can use the word herself. Like himself itself can be used. I have written example below. तो entire team means पूरा समूह. वर्क काम या फिर काम करना. सॉल्व मीन्स हल करना. प्रॉब्लम्स समस्याएं. Nowadays issues are also used in place of problem, right? The word issues, ISSUES, issues. Late means ले जाना, संचालन करना. I means a leader always late. Upgrade, उन्नति करना. Development and upgrade, improvement can be used in place of upgrade. Society means समाज. The entire team of Jagriti works to solve the problems of students so that they can upgrade themselves and lead the society. Here Jagriti is a name of committee in my village. and I'm also a member of this. मेजोरिटी अधिकता, प्रधानता, ड्रीम फॉर सपना देखना, या फिर यू कैन से सोचना। लग्जरियस विलासिता युक्त, विलासमय। फोकस ध्यान केंद्रित करना। स्टडी अध्ययन करना। मेजोरिटी ऑफ स्टूडेंट ड्रीम्स फॉर ए लग्जरियस लाइफ बट दे डू नॉट फोकस ऑन स्टडी। It is universal truth now, especially in India. Which means जो या फिर कौन सा। एजुकेशन मीन्स शिक्षा। मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट अति महत्वपूर्ण। एलिमेंट मीन्स तत्व, धारक। रेविल्स प्रकट करना। पोटेंशियल अंतर्निहित शक्ति। Education is the most important element of life which reveals our potential. Next. Think means sochna. The word thing means vastu या चीज. Remember this. About के बारे में, future generation आने वाली पीढ़ी. Utilize प्रयोग करना, काम में लेना. You can use the word use also. And consumption can be used in place of this word. Valuable मूल्यवान, natural प्राकृतिक, resource स्रोत. We should think about our future generation when utilize the valuable natural resources. Next, group discussion, सामूहिक बातचीत. Widen चौड़ा या फिर बढ़ाना. Widens means it doesn't means increase, but like you know that the 70% of area of Earth is covered by water, right? So when you discuss with other student, then you will know more about water. Like from this 70%, only 3% of these are potable water. And if you further discuss that, you will become to know that only 1% water is generally available for drink and 2% is a form of ice. So widens means you get something deeply. Okay, you go through the depth. You will boost your knowledge in particular thing, right? I hope you have understood. Knowledge means gyan. Group discussion widens our knowledge. So do group discussion, guys. Sometimes means kabhi kabhi, and the word sometime where s is not there. Sometime, SOMIMETIME. S is not there. This is sometime. It is used for to say something about past, right? And sometimes is a simple word. It is for future and present use. Forget भूलना या भूल जाना. Share साझा करना. Sometimes it means बांटना also, right? Like I like to share my breakfast with my friend. Here share means partner. And I like to share my knowledge with my friend. Here share means साझा करना. Funny, मजाकिया, आनंददायक. हार्ट टचिंग, हृदय स्पर्शी, दिल को सोने वाली. एक्टिविटीज गतिविधियाँ. यंगेस्ट सबसे कम उम्र का. एल्डेस्ट सबसे बड़ा. You know, suppose you have 3 brothers sisters and the smallest one in age is called youngest of your brothers sisters, and which was born first time. he is called eldest of your brother sister, right? So I hope you understood. Sometimes sometimes Mary forgets to share the funny and heart-touching activities of our youngest daughter. Next, never, कभी नहीं, give up, छोड़ देना, hard, कठिन, worse, बदतर, day after tomorrow means परसों, sunshine, सूर्य का प्रकाश. Here is a sentence. Never give up. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse. But day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Next. Secret. रहस्य या फिर गुप्त. Change. बदलाव या बदलाव लाना. Energy. Sorry, here G is not written here. Please consider it. Energy means ऊर्जा या शक्ति. फाइट मीन्स फाइट करना या लड़ना. बिल्डिंग मीन्स बनाना. बिल्डिंग इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस द हॉल ऑल्सो, लाइक यू हैव मेड होम एंड हैविंग एटलीस्ट 2 floors. That can be called building. Okay, a building may be having may have 100 floors also, right? You know, for your knowledge I want to say that there is a building is being made by Japan. The length of this building will be 1700 meter and it is called Sky Tower. The name given by government of Japan, Sky Tower, right? Thank you. The secret of change is to focus all your energy not on fighting the old but building the new. So guys, this was the end of this video. I hope you really enjoyed this video and these words I have explained are going to be very helpful for you for effective communication in English. Please do like and share and don't forget to write how you have felt and realized this video. Yes, in the end of this video I have mentioned 2 sentences which are very great quotation given by 2 great men. I want to know who are those 2 great men from you. In my next video I will come with 100 new words which will be little bit harder from this word. Till then, stay happy and tuned. Thank you for watching.